Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something truly special with you. You know, I've spent years studying the lives of people who live the longest, the healthiest, and the happiest. And what I've found is that the most inspiring stories, the ones that fill you with hope, almost always begin the same way, with simple, intentional daily choices. Today, we're going to dive deep into the wisdom of two extraordinary doctors whose lives have been a beacon of inspiration for me and millions around the world. I'm talking about Dr. Howard Tucker, who is still practicing neurology at the incredible age of 102, and the late Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, a Japanese physician who lived a vibrant life until he was 105. What's their secret? You might be expecting some complex, expensive formula or a rare, hard-to-find supplement. But the truth is far more beautiful and accessible. They didn't rely on cutting-edge, costly treatments or secret medicines. Their longevity was built on a foundation of purpose, movement, and one particularly humble little seed, the chia seed. But before we get into the amazing science behind this tiny powerhouse, let's talk about something even more fundamental, their mindset. This is the real starting point. Both Dr. Tucker and Dr. Hinohara were firm believers that having a purpose is what keeps you alive and thriving. Think about it. When you wake up in the morning knowing that you are needed, that you have a reason to get out of bed, your body responds in a powerful way. It naturally produces more energy, more hope, and more life force. Your why for living is your strongest medicine, more potent than anything you can swallow in a pill. So, even before we discuss diet or supplements, I want you to take a moment and reflect on your purpose. What gets you excited for the day ahead? Cherish that, because it's the engine of your well-being. Now, let's talk about the physical fuel for that engine. Let's talk about this tiny miracle food, chia seeds. These seeds have a rich history. They were once called the running food by ancient Aztec and Mayan warriors. It's said that just a couple of tablespoons could fuel a warrior for an entire day of running or battle. That's not just folklore, modern science backs this up. So what makes these little seeds so powerful, especially for those of us who want to age gracefully and maintain our vitality? First, they are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. These are the essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own. They are absolutely crucial for brain health and heart health. For many seniors worried about memory decline or maintaining good circulation, omega-3s are a non-negotiable part of a healthy diet. Regularly consuming chia seeds helps support cognitive function and keeps your cardiovascular system running smoothly. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also packed with fiber. In fact, they are one of the best sources of fiber on the planet. Just 2 tablespoons contain around 10 grams of fiber, which is nearly a third of the recommended daily intake for adults. This fiber is a game changer for 2 reasons. First, it promotes healthy digestion, preventing constipation, which can be a common issue as we age. Second, this high fiber content helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. When you eat chia seeds, the gel they form in your stomach slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, providing a slow, steady release of energy and preventing those sharp spikes and crashes in blood glucose. And here's a fact that always amazes me and my patients: these tiny seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water. This creates a gel-like substance. When you consume them, this unique property has 2 fantastic benefits. It helps you stay hydrated for longer periods, which is vital for every cell in your body. And secondly, this hydration is incredibly beneficial for your joints. Proper hydration helps keep the cartilage in our joints soft and lubricated, promoting comfort and mobility. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, Dr. Aneeqa, but how do I actually add this to my diet? It sounds complicated. I hear this from my older patients all the time. And my answer is always the same: start simple. You don't need to drastically change your entire routine. The key to lasting health isn't radical, sudden diets, it's the small, consistent habits you build over time. So, here are a few incredibly easy ways to incorporate chia seeds into your day. The simplest method? Stir 1 teaspoon into a glass of water, juice, or even your morning milk. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow it to gel up, and then drink it. It's that easy. Another great way is to sprinkle them on your food. Add a spoonful to your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or porridge. Mix them into your soup or sprinkle them over a salad for a little bit of texture. You can even get creative and mix them into your roti or bread dough before baking. The seeds are virtually tasteless, so they won't alter the flavor of your favorite foods. You don't need a lot, just consistency. Remember, it's the daily repetition of these small acts of self-care that truly transforms your health. Let's look back at our centenarian doctors. Their lifestyles were a testament to this philosophy of simplicity and consistency. Dr. Tucker stayed incredibly active. He famously never took the elevator, always choosing the stairs, and made sure to walk daily. Dr. Hinohara practiced mindful eating, his diet was light and consisted mostly of fish, fresh vegetables, and small, sensible portions. Adding chia seeds fits perfectly into this kind of lifestyle. It nourishes your body without overloading it. It provides that steady, reliable energy needed for daily activities, and it works quietly in the background to help keep important markers like cholesterol in a healthy range. It's nature's quiet support system for your heart, your brain, and your bones. My friends, I want you to hear this loud and clear: aging is not something to be feared. It is not a disease. It's a natural and beautiful stage of life, a stage of accumulated wisdom and experience. Your body has an incredible, innate desire to heal and be well, and it will respond beautifully if you just give it the right, gentle care it needs. So, I invite you to try a little experiment. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, start your day with purpose. Think about one thing you're grateful for or one person you can help. Then, take a short walk, even if it's just for 10 minutes around your neighborhood. And finally, add one simple spoonful of chia seeds to your breakfast. This journey isn't about chasing immortality or trying to live forever. It's about living well, right here, right now. It's about having the energy to play with your grandchildren, the clarity of mind to share your stories, and the vitality to enjoy every single day you are given. I'm Dr. Aneeqa, and it's my sincere hope to remind you that with the right knowledge and simple habits, your best, most vibrant years can still be ahead of you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, science-based health tips, made with love and truth. I'll see you in the next video. Stay well.